Hi everyone, so I'm just here to talk a little bit about some of the new toys that we have here at Steeda, and by toys I don't mean cars, but actual equipment that we utilize to make the cars go faster. Our new Hunter alignment system gives us the capabilities of dialing in your suspension systems with much closer tolerances than we've ever had before. This means when you buy those Steeda suspension components that's designed to make your car corner faster, or if you have that Shelby GT350 and you're getting ready to take it to the track, we have the capability of getting those suspension components working together properly. Our new Hunter alignment rack has a much more accurate sensor type that attaches to the wheels, which gives us the ability to dial in the camber, toe, and other alignment settings, bringing your suspension to exactly the tolerances that you may want or the factory may require. And also this new DynoJet that we got sitting back here, which is an exciting device that allows us to measure the horsepower at the rear wheels of the vehicles that we have on it. And that gives us the ability to test products and see what works and what doesn't. And this way here, the consumer gets the best possible horsepower outcome that we can make out of our products. So with this DynoJet, we have it located actually inside an air-conditioned, climate-controlled room, which will allow us, when tuning products and testing products, to keep things consistent, because we're able to control the temperature in here. Therefore, it'll be less variable when we're dynoing a car. A lot of times when you have a dyno outside, the dyno has to kind of adjust for the atmospheric conditions. Being in this enclosed room that we're in, the conditions will pretty much be the same every time we strap a car on. So the conditions won't be a variable that the dyno will have to adjust for when estimating horsepower.